Hello, my name is Bernard Lorendo, CEO at Arifpay. I would like to talk to you today about how Arifpay is empowering companies all across Ethiopia. The digital economy is full throttle here in Ethiopia, but are you really part of it? Whether you're a bank, a large organization, a micro, small or medium enterprise, that digital payment infrastructure is what's going to increase your bottom line. Arifpay is a financial institution that's licensed by the National Bank of Ethiopia, the first to have obtained a payment system operator with 2 licenses, the point of sale as well as a gateway license. Arifpay follows a bank-led model for 2 reasons. Number 1, the banking sector is the backbone of the economy, whether in Ethiopia or any other country. Number 2, 75% of the population in Ethiopia is still underbanked. Only 15% or so is banked. And we need to change that. We need to help the banking sector mobilize more deposits and really get that population into the banking sector. The Ethiopian economy is characterized by low deposit mobilization that translates into low loan provisioning, which is also a reason why the velocity of money is very low, which also translates into inflationary dynamics. Arifpay is going to help you accelerate your business through an agile, API-based and cloud-based digital payment infrastructure. And it's you who's going to help to increase the velocity of money in our country. Because it's when you help your customers in paying you much faster, and when you pay your vendors much faster, you're now going to help the velocity of money in this country increase. And it's through this dynamic that we're going to help the banks tap into the untapped money supply in our country. Indeed, we want to really turn this vicious economic circle in Ethiopia where banks are not mobilizing deposit and where they're not issuing loans into a virtuous circle where the economy is moving, the velocity of money is much faster, and where finally MSMEs and large organizations and banks all alike will be thriving.
ሰላም መልካ ግርማ ነኝ የአሪፍፔይ ኮንሱመር ኢንሳይትስ ማኔጀር። ዛሬ ማውራችሁ እንዴት አሪፍፔይ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉትን ጥቃቅን መካከለኛና አነስተኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞችን እንደሚያግዝ አወራችኋለሁ። ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉ የጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች እንዲያድጉ ብሎም እንዲቋቋሙ ወይም የመቋቋም አቅማቸው እንዲጨምር የዲጂታል ፔመንት ኢንፍራስትራክቸራቸውን ማሻሻል አስፈላጊ ስለሆነ አሪፍፔይ ከዚህ አንፃር ለነሱ የሚጠቅም ሶሉሽን ይዞ ቀርቧል። የኢትዮጵያ ኢኮኖሚ በአንጻራዊነት በዝቅተኛ የተቀማጭ ገንዘብ እንዲሁም አነስተኛ የብድር አቅርቦት፣ ተለዋዋጭ የኢንፍሌሽነሪ ዳይናሚክስ እንዲሁም አነስተኛ የገንዘብ ልውጥ ፍጥነት ይታይበታል። በሌላ በኩል ደግሞ ላለፉት 10 ዓመታት ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ከተመዘገቡ ኢንተርፕራይዞች 98% ያህሉ የሚሆኑት ጥቃቅን መካከለኛና አነስተኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች ናቸው። ለዚህም ነው አሪፍፔይ ኢትዮጵያ ለምታስባቸው ኢኮኖሚክ አስፓይሬሽንስ ወይም የኢኮኖሚ ፍላጎቶች 98% ያህሉን ወይም ደግሞ የአንበሳውን ድርሻ መፍትሄ ይይዛሉ ብለን የምናምነው። እንደውም አሪፍፔይ ኤምኤስኤምኢስ ወይም ደግሞ ጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች ለኢትዮጵያ ኢኮኖሚክ ፍላጎቶች 98% መፍትሄውን ይይዛሉ ብለን እናስባለን። ስለዚህ አሪፍፔይ እነዚህ የኢኮኖሚው ሞተር የሆኑትን ጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞችን ኢምፓወር ያደርጋል፣ ያበረታታል ማለት ነው። አሪፍፔይ ለጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች የተለያዩ እድሎችን የሚያድጉበት እድሎችን ያቀርብላቸዋል። ይህም በመናቀርባቸው የዲጂታል ፔመንት ኢንፍራስትራክቸር በመጠቀም የኮንሱመር ቤዛቸውን እንዲያሰፉ ወይም የደንበኛ ቤዛቸውን እንዲያሰፉ ካሽፍሏቸው በተሻለ መልኩ እንዲሆን ወይም እንዲጨምር እንዲሁም ደግሞ ወጫቸውን እንዲሸፍኑ የተለያዩ ደግሞ አፕሴል ኦፖርቹኒቲስ ወይም እድሎችን በመፍጠር እና ደግሞ አልቲሜትሊ ከባንኮች ብድር ሊያገኙ የሚችሉበትን የዲጂታል ፉትፕሪንት በመፍጠር ብዙ ዋጋ ሊያቀርብላቸው ይችላል ማለት ነው። በሌላ በኩል ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉ የጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች መበረታታት ማደግ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለውን ወደ ባንክ የሚሄደውን ማህበረሰብ ወይም ደግሞ ባንክ የሆነውን ፖፑሌሽን በማብዛት ባንኮች የተሻለ ዲፖዚት ሞቢላይዜሽን እንዲኖራቸው ብሎም ደግሞ በተሻለ መልኩ ኤምኤስኤምኢስን ወይም ደግሞ ጥቃቅን መካከለኛና አነስተኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞችን ሰርቭ እንዲያደርጉ ፕላትፎርሙን ያዘጋጃል ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ጋር በተያያዘ እንደ ሀገር ኢንቨስትመንት ይበረታታል፣ የተሻሉ ሰርቪሶች ወደ ገበያ ይወጣሉ ማለት ነው። በአጠቃላይ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉ የጥቃቅን አነስተኛና መካከለኛ ኢንተርፕራይዞች ማደግ መበረታታት እንደ ሀገር ወደ ባንክ አገልግሎት የሚሄደውን ማህበረሰብ በማስፋት ወይም ደግሞ የባንክ አገልግሎት የሚጠቀመውን የፖፑሌሽን ቤዝ በማስፋት ባንኮች የተሻለ ዲፖዚት ሞቢላይዝ እንዲያደርጉ፣ ኢንቨስትመንት እንዲስፋፋ፣ ኢንተርፕራይዞች አዳዲስ ኢንተርፕራይዞች ወደ ኢኮኖሚው እንዲገቡ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ይሄ እንደ ሀገር ኢንቨስትመንትን ያስፋፋል፣ ተለዋዋጭ ሳይሆን የታለመለት የዋጋ ንረት እንዲኖር ያደርጋል፣ ብሎም ደግሞ የተሻለ ሚኒ ቬሎሲቲ ኢኮኖሚ ሰርኩሌት እንዲያደርግ ይረዳል ማለት ነው።
In Ethiopia today, believe it or not, we currently have 11,000 point of sale machines. We're averaging about 50,000 transactions per month through a point of sale. Through its digital payment infrastructure, Arifpay will transform this, what I call a point of no sale, into a point of sale. That's number one. Number two, we need to turn these mobile devices that all of us have into a point of sale. But number three, we also need to get away from this plastic, from debit cards. We need to use our mobile devices into a payment mechanism through push and pull payment systems using QR codes and any advanced technology that the world will give us. Number four, Arifpay will bring the brick and mortar bank onto the palm of your hands, so that whether you live in the city or in the countryside, Arifpay will bring you the bank to the last mile. And this is how Arifpay will turn that 15% of the banked population into 30%, 40%, 50%, and help Ethiopia transition into a middle income economy. Arifpay will be the vehicle, the integrator, the vector for the consolidation and the optimization of the banking sector. Arifpay indeed really cares about interoperability, and this is why we will bring interoperability onto the payment gateway for all of your e-commerce needs, onto the point of sale, as well as at the last mile, so that as a bank, you can onboard your customers wherever they are, and you can increase your deposit mobilization. But what makes Arifpay special is not only its technology, its digital payment infrastructure, and a whole set of different products. It's really how we go to market. And we work through a network of channel partners, whether they be training agencies, value-added resellers, system integrators, banks, and much, much more. And it's really through this network of channel partners that we will help the banks increase the deposit mobilization on their existing customer base, but also recruit net new customers, net new merchants through these channel partners. And this is how we will reach the majority of the Ethiopian population. My name is Bernard, CEO at Arifpay, and I invite you to be in this digital payment infrastructure revolution in our country.